If you need to check whether someone has booked a meeting in Calendly, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. I'll show you exactly where to look inside your Calendly dashboard so you can find upcoming bookings, view attendee details, and confirm whether a meeting has been scheduled. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Calendly website and log into your dashboard using the account that manages your meetings. Once you're signed in, look over to the left sidebar menu. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is Meetings. Click Meetings to open your meeting view. As soon as you open it, Calendly will show you a timeline view of your meetings. This timeline is the fastest way to check whether someone has booked a meeting because it displays scheduled events across today and future dates in a clear layout. If you already have bookings, you'll see them plotted directly on the timeline. Now scroll down through the timeline to review the meetings scheduled for today and upcoming days. This is especially useful if you want to quickly confirm whether a recent invitee has already booked a slot. You can move through the timeline until you find the date you're interested in and look for any meeting blocks that appear there. When you spot a meeting block, click on it. This will expand the booking and show you more details about the event. Inside the expanded meeting, you'll be able to see the attendee's name, their email address, and any responses they submitted when booking the meeting. This is the easiest way to verify exactly who booked the time and what information they provided. If you are checking for a specific person, use the timeline and the meeting details together to confirm the booking. First, find the date and time, then open the meeting block and review the attendee information. That gives you a complete picture without having to search through every part of the dashboard. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can log into Calendly, open the meeting section, view the timeline, scroll to the right date, and click a meeting to see who booked it. It's a simple process, but once you know where to look, it saves you time and removes the guesswork. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on Calendly and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.